See ain't miss. Nestled away on a large, level lot, this cozy abode offers 3 bedrooms, 2 upstairs, 1 downstairs, and 2 full baths. Completely remodeled throughout west/no expense spared, this gorgeous home boasts a welcoming front porch, majestically open floor plan with a living dining room combo and family room, hardwood floors on main level, carpet in bedrooms and tile in kitchen bathrooms, SS appliances, chef's paradise kitchen, and large back deck, perfect for entertaining. Huge backyard begs to ally and sports a separate, 2-level building. Bottom level functions as a workshop area, building is insulated with central AC, and upstairs level functions as another bedroom or office. There is also a detached garage.